While everyone chases the same trendy new cars, a handful of unfashionable, dirt-cheap used cars are quietly near indestructible and will outlast most new motors. We're counting down 12 dirt-cheap cars nobody wants in the UK, with the number 1 near-immortal bargain saved for last. Let's kick things off at number 12, with a tiny runabout whose reliability record puts cars costing 10 times more to shame. In the 12th place, the Suzuki Swift stands as an excellent, low-cost runabout. UK buyers often dismiss this Japanese hatchback as a budget option, driving used prices down. Yet, reliability surveys score it at a massive 95.9%. Its durability comes from sheer simplicity: a basic, naturally aspirated engine, a lightweight body, and none of the fragile electronics that ruin modern hatchbacks. Clean, high-mileage models sell on AutoTrader for under £1,000. When viewing one, check the MOT history for rear rust, listen for clutch wear, and verify the service history. Number 11. The Skoda Octavia steps things up from small hatchbacks to massive family-sized practicality on a budget. Because of its dull, sensible taxi driver image, UK buyers ignore it, keeping used prices incredibly low. Underneath the body, it uses proven Volkswagen Group parts, making it easy to service. These machines are built for huge mileages. Many easily pass 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. If you are buying one, check for a clear history of regular oil changes. If it has a DSG automatic gearbox, ensure it has been serviced every 40,000 miles to avoid a costly mechatronic failure. Number 10. The Hyundai i40 is a handsome, incredibly comfortable saloon or estate that the UK market completely ignores because of badge snobbery. Buyers dismiss it as a cheap Korean taxi, driving used prices into the ground, but it offers a seriously well-equipped cabin for very little money. The 1.7-litre CRDI diesel engine is a robust, low-stress cruiser built for massive mileages. When shopping, avoid the automatic gearboxes and opt for the bulletproof manual. Just check the MOT history for worn suspension bushings and sticky rear brake calipers before handing over any cash. Number 9. The Honda Jazz is often unfairly dismissed as a car only driven by pensioners, but ignoring this clever hatchback is a massive financial mistake. What it lacks in street cred, it makes up for with a near-perfect reliability reputation and the brilliant folding magic seats that give it more boot space than many SUVs. The naturally aspirated 1.4-litre petrol engine is virtually indestructible if serviced regularly. When buying on the used market, manual versions are bulletproof, but if you look at a CVT automatic, make sure the transmission fluid has been changed on schedule. Test the door locks too, and check the MOT history for any suspension wear. Number 8. The Toyota Yaris is the ultimate boring but brilliant super mini. While buyers chase flashy tech, smart UK motorists buy the Yaris for its sheer mechanical simplicity. Warranty Solutions Group analysed 20,000 claims and crowned it the most reliable used car in the UK, with a claim rate of just 6.17%. Its tiny VVTi petrol engine is virtually indestructible with basic servicing. Look on AutoTrader and you can find high-mileage models for well under £1,000. When buying, avoid the complex semi-automatic MMT gearboxes. Check the rear sills for rust and ensure there is a thick stack of service history. Number 7. The Mazda 6. It feels like a premium executive cruiser, but harsh depreciation means you can pick up a clean model for absolute peanuts. It achieves an outstanding 94.7% reliability rating in UK surveys, largely thanks to its simple, naturally aspirated petrol engines that do away with complex turbos. Provided you stay on top of regular oil changes and check for rust, hitting 200,000 miles in one of these is remarkably common. Just inspect the suspension bushes for wear on your test drive and verify there is a solid stack of servicing receipts in the glove box before you pay. Number 6. The Honda Civic marks our exact midpoint, offering an engaging drive without sacrificing legendary Japanese reliability. Because British buyers overlook these standard hatchbacks for faster hot hatches, used prices are remarkably low. Remember, nobody wants simply means these cars are unfashionable and heavily depreciated, not unsafe. Honda's naturally aspirated petrol engines are the main attraction here, happily racking up massive mileages with basic servicing. When shopping on AutoTrader, verify if your chosen model year uses a cam bolt or a timing chain, and listen for knocks from the rear suspension on your test drive. It is pure, robust practicality. In the fifth place, the Skoda Superb offers genuine executive-class luxury without the premium price tag. It dominates this part of our list by giving you limousine-level rear legroom, an enormous boot, and a quiet, solid cabin that rivals much pricier German saloons. Entrenched badge snobbery in the UK keeps these used prices heavily depressed, making the Superb an absolute bargain for families or business commuters. You get high-end road comfort for budget hatchback money. When buying, ensure the DSG automatic gearbox has been serviced on schedule, and double-check all the interior electrics to rule out any stubborn wiring gremlins. In the fourth place, the Toyota Auris brings serious fuel economy to our durability countdown. While its styling is completely uninspiring, keeping used prices beautifully low, underneath lies the same legendary hybrid technology found in the Prius. Opt for the hybrid variant, and you get a real-world 70 miles per gallon combined with bulletproof reliability. This machine turns low running costs into the ultimate long-term bargain. When hunting on AutoTrader, look for cars with a documented hybrid health check from Toyota. Always verify that previous owners serviced the inverter coolant and checked the hybrid battery pack regularly to guarantee years of trouble-free motoring. Coming to the top three, the Honda Accord offers exceptional large car substance for almost no money. While UK buyers chase modern, fragile crossovers, this forgotten saloon is a long-haul tank. Owners rate it an impressive 8.4 out of 10, praising petrol and diesel engines that easily run for hundreds of thousands of miles with routine servicing. Because large Japanese saloons are heavily unfashionable in Britain, used prices on AutoTrader have crashed to rock-bottom levels, giving you massive mechanical durability for pocket money. If you are shopping for one, prioritize a well-documented service history. For the diesel models, check the DPF and EGR valve history for clogging, and make sure the petrol variants have clear cam bolt replacement records, where applicable. Our near-immortal number one bargain is still to come. In second place, the Toyota Avensis is the UK's definitive high-mileage workhorse. Completely ignored by buyers chasing style, this heavily depreciated family car represents the victory of sensible engineering over image. It is built for a long life, with a realistic lifespan stretching to 250,000 miles. While it looks incredibly dull, that lack of complexity is precisely why it survives when fragile modern cars break down. On the used market, you can find running models on AutoTrader for absolute peanuts. When buying, ignore the high odometer reading and look for a thick stack of service receipts, proving regular upkeep. Ensure the water pump has been replaced and check the MOT history for any suspension issues. Our near-immortal number one bargain is up next. And finally, in first place, the Lexus IS stands as the ultimate buy once, outlast everything champion. While buyers stretch their budgets for fragile German executive saloons, this Japanese cruiser offers high-end comfort backed by legendary Toyota engineering. You get a premium cabin wrapped around a remarkably tough engine and transmission setup that routinely clocks over 250,000 or even 300,000 miles on original parts. Because UK motorists overlook traditional petrol saloons in favour of modern, complex crossovers, used prices on AutoTrader have absolutely tanked. This massive depreciation means you can secure a quiet, reliable long-distance cruiser for a fraction of the cost of a typical hatchback. When buying, ignore the bargain basement examples. Look for a clean car with a stack of service history. Check the condition of the tyres and brakes, and ensure it has been properly maintained. It is a brilliant, dependable bargain. Across these 12 unloved motors, one truth emerges. British badge snobbery is your greatest money-saving asset. While others suffer staggering depreciation on fragile new tech, simple engineering and a clean MOT history will always triumph. True longevity doesn't care about fashion. Which bargain would you buy?